Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name Ratana Amamam is a participant of Amamam Myanmar from Cambodia. Today, I just want to share my experience with Amamam Myanmar. I have joined Amamam Myanmar on 22nd February 2015, and until the 7th March 2017, I have successful provide help around 665,000 Amamam-K, and then I have do my website follow the rules of Amamam every day. On 5th March 2017, I have successful get help around 180,000 Amamam-K, and on 14 March 2017, I have successful get up amount 105,000 Amamam-K second. Thank you, Mr. Mabrodi, for being the project of Amamam Myanmar for our happiness and long life.